Coming to the second part of our presentation, which oral preparation is good for iron deficiency anemia? Management of iron deficiency anemia is not only iron and folic acid. It's much more than that. It requires vitamin C, which is definitely needed for the absorption of the iron. B12 and folic acid. Folic acid is already given. B12 we have to get worried about it in case if one is vegetarian and not taking enough milk, because people who are vegetarian but taking eggs or taking milk will not have B12 deficiency, but the people who इसमें भी corners cut करते हैं उनके लिए problem हो जाती है. So the ferrous sulfate, I will say, which we had been using it in the government sector, is great. Doctors in government sector must emphasize that the Government of India supply of iron is no inferior to the marketly available tablets of iron. Which iron? It confuses the doctor in the private sector, as the market is flooded with more than 300 iron preparations, and the experts must settle this confusion very fast. As you can see here, the daily requirement of iron is 4 to 6 milligram, but what is absorbed is 1 to 2 milligram. But that's also a fact. अगर आपकी body deficient है तो आपका ज़्यादा iron का absorption होगा. It's very simple. आपको ज़रूरत नहीं तो ये निकल जाएगा, और otherwise in case if your body is deficient, it is going to grab it. Secondly, my experience says that iron sulfate, ferrous sulfate, which is available in the government supply, is great. Ferrous ascorbate is good. Now there has been study, which is a PRIDE study, which shows it has been prospective randomized comparative trial, which was ferrous ascorbate was carbonyl iron in the treatment for iron deficiency anemia. They found at the end of 60 days there was an increase in 5 gram per deciliter when iron ascorbate was given, comparison to its counterpart parts where it was half. Here again you can see the same thing has been shown here, that when you use this particular preparation, iron increase stands out tall in comparison to others. Again in a Hearst trial the same thing has been shown, that the rise had been 3.6 in just a matter of 45 days time. And what is the combination? The right ratio of the iron and the ascorbic acid is 1:6.3. 1:6.3. And whatever the preparation, the MCure preparations are, this is what the drug is the choice. Not that I'm standing for on a thing where the lunch has been provided by MCure, that I'm speaking for that. This is otherwise. You can see here the ferrous ascorbate has got the maximum absorption, and you can find and then for iron sulfate it comes close to it, around 11 to 12%. Never ever go high five presentation by the drug house representatives. One cannot change science. Never go by side effects. जो आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है तो आपको लूज मोशन भी हो जाएंगे, एक के बाद 2 बार जाना पड़ेगा. बट एक बात बिल्कुल क्लियर है, जब बॉडी को ज़रूरत है तो बॉडी लिख कर लेगी जहाँ से भी उसको मिलेगा. Deworming, I just now said, it is mandatory. I again repeat, whether it is Dr. Sharda Jain or her spouse or anybody, 6 monthly you must take iron, this deworming tablets. And it is albendazole 400 milligram to be taken after 12 weeks of pregnancy. As for the counseling and diet is concerned, I think, as a doctor you're failing if you have not counseled your patient. As for the diet is concerned, now you need to tell the patient what need to be taken. You must emphasize कि diet खाओगे तो जितना आपका hemoglobin है उतना ही रहेगा, उससे नीचे नहीं जाएगा, but उससे ऊपर भी नहीं बढ़ेगा unless you take iron, folic acid. Plus, whenever you're taking this tablet, take it with the lemon water. Take it with the lemon water. Secondly, Green leafy vegetables, you can't do without it, you have to take it. And in case if you can take one of the meat preparations, you should definitely take. You must see to it, the people who are vegetarian, whenever they eat lunch and dinner, they must use vitamin C. सैलेड में लें, दाल में डाल के लें, कुछ भी करें, एक नींबू अपने खाने के साथ लेना ही लेना है. And you must see that the sprouted dals are much better than the otherwise. What they should not be doing it. We are into habit of taking tea and coffee soon after the taking the meal. खासकर सर्दियाँ हो तो चाय और कॉफी तो लेनी ही लेनी है. This has to be avoided. So the counseling session has to be great, and whatever the symptoms I just now mentioned about it, and you get an additional tips for the same. I again repeat, ये जो पसंद है, अभी मेरी दोस्त जो है कल्पना कह रही थी कि उसने शाम को चिप्स खाना शुरू कर दिया है. नहीं, शाम को नहीं, मैं बोल रही थी कभी भी. तो मैं आई एम स्पीकिंग टू फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड डॉक्टर कल्पना, ये हैबिट ठीक नहीं है. ठीक है, सो इस टी कॉफी इज ओके. जो भी सब्जियां हैं उसको ज्यादा पकाना नहीं है, पकाएंगे तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा पकाना नहीं है. एंड दिस इज योर iron rich food. Now here I just wish to tell you, when we are talking about the diet part of it, Dr. Praveen, Dr. Chandalata, Preeti is not here. All these people are experts. Vandana is here. All experts as far as telling about iron rich diet, what diet one need to take. But I will, it is my small request in a poor country like this, coming advice from a poor doctor is, don't forget soya bean. Soya bean is 52% proteins. 100 grams soya लोगे तो आपका काम चल जाएगा. मैं चाइना का आपको एग्जाम्पल बताती हूँ. वो शाम को सोया चाइना में नहीं होता, सब हिंदुस्तान से जाता है. वो लेडी आपको शाम को सोया भिगोएगी, 3 सीटी लेके उसको सॉफ्ट कर लेगी, उसके अंदर बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा नींबू डालेगी और सबको एक छोटी छोटी कटोरी, 7 साल के बच्चों को भी वही देगी, 70 साल के जेंटलमैन को भी देंगी, 70 साल की लेडी को भी वही देंगी, अपने स्पाउस को भी देगी, अपने आप लेंगे. She tells that it has to be eaten because she is giving it separately. It means this is your dose and you need to take. So soya, one must not forget, it is cheap and the best. Peanuts, peanuts is 30% proteins है इसमें. So again, हमारे जो बड़े लोग होते थे, मुझे अच्छी तरह याद है, आपको पता नहीं याद है कि नहीं, हम लोग की जब हमारी दादी हैं वो एक मुट्ठी मूंगफली आपको ऐसे आपके हाथ में पकड़ाएंगे और बोलेंगे इसको चबा चबा के खाना और उसके बाद दूध पीना. So this is what the old people used to say. And गुड़ और चना के बारे में तो आपको सबको मालूम है. But here I wish to tell you that whenever you find there's a patient is of a severe anemia, don't forget protein preparation. Now these days good protein preparation for a vegetarian people are available, which has 40% proteins are there. So I think those particular preparation you should hunt for it, and otherwise we are having a one presentation next month and you will know about those preparations. Now whether you put down in your in a form of a charts in your clinic and you tell them what are the sources of iron rich food and what are the sources of folic rich food, and ask them to take a click and start using them. ये ब्रोकली के बारे में मैं जरूर बताना चाहूंगी, शायद ये छोटी छोटी कहानियां याद रहती हैं. मेदांता हॉस्पिटल में आप रिसेप्शन एरिया में जाएंगे तो बड़ा सारा लगा रखा है. मैडम नमस्ते, वेलकम, प्लीज मैडम टेक केयर ऑफ मैडम्स फूड. एंड इट इज मैजिकल. मुझको ये मैं हर बार बोलती मेथी का पराठा. ना मेथी के पराठे में आई थिंक यू मस्ट नो दैट आपने खाली मेथी से खाली पराठा नहीं बनेगा. So you need to supplement the rest of it by the proteins. That proteins is very, very important. So I think this particular part you should not forget about it. That you know we don't forget supplementing what is required as in the form of iron, folic acid, B12 and other vitamin C. But I think protein part you should not forget about it. फूड फोर्टिफिकेशन, पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपकी मार्केट में क्या क्या अवेलेबल है. फोर्टिफाइड फूड्स, हाँ, एंड you must also tell your patients also about this fortification. And I can say arise, awake, and stop, not until the goal is reached. And then I told you what the goal is. The problem is anemia. Our vision is that every Bharatbhasi should be anemia mukt. And our vision is that we must create a force of a high-class health professionals who can treat anemia without any problems. So thank you so much.